checking out this horsefish white touch-up paint. This comes in this little bottle here, and basically for little nicks and stuff you have, clean this up. This is just for white areas basically that you want to touch up. Basically, just shake it up, clean your area, and then apply it with this little little paintbrush there. So we got a couple little spots that we need to touch up, so we're going to demonstrate that for you guys. We can see how well this works. So let's go check it out, shall we? Here we go. And a spot on the door here. Simply touch that up, and the spots go away. Sometimes multiple coats will be required. A pretty good sized scuff mark right here. And just kind of cover that up. Takes about an hour between different coats of paint here. But there's one little coat there, and we can see that already it's starting to look quite a bit better than it was. Okay, here we go. Just got some more paint here and just kind of dabbing that on. And pretty much just going away. That's kind of nice. Second coat would probably just really do away with it all. And we got my molding. Sorry, my molding's a little bit grody looking here. I really need to go over all of this. But if you just need to quickly do a little spot clean on that, patch up a little area, it works fairly well. Okay, got all this right here too. And this big old bunch of paint right on there. And just go over that. First coat. And then we'll just do another little coat. Seems to be covering pretty good. Alright, and it's nearly invisible with another coat. I'm sure it would be, just depending on what you're covering up. Here's a spot here, some paint also. So quick and easy, just like a nice little touch up on white paint that you can do to help make your house look a little nicer, cover up blemishes and things like that. Works fairly well. Thanks so much for watching, my friends. Have a great day, and I'll see you next time.